Hi YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today is a little unboxing video. I've checked the mail I think every day this week, seeing if this came because I didn't have a tracking number, so I didn't know when it would be here, but I knew that they were shipping them out. But this is the Pangea Designs Prylobite, and all I've done so far is cut open the top of the package, so I'm going to open it up all the way and see how it was sent. Kind of give a quick first impressions and a little unboxing of it. And I think that's it. Yep. So this was a Kickstarter run by Pangea Designs. Here you can see on the box. And there's a little Prylobite, which is where the name came from. There you can see, pretty plain normal cardboard box with their name printed on it. And here it is. Wow. That is cool. So this is the knife itself. I've never seen one of these in person or held one. This is the first real view I'm getting of it. I just saw the picture of it on Kickstarter, thought it would be a cool thing to support, and they were about $100. I think they were in the $90 range before shipping or taxes or anything. And that is G10 and S35VN, I believe. Yeah, there it says it. S35VN. Very clean looking, very nice. Fit and finish so far looks great. I don't know who manufactured it for them. But it looks really good. There's the little Prylobite logo and the Pangea Designs name. So very cool. Bottle opener right there. Pry bar right there. Key dangler right there. And I actually, I don't have my keys on me right now. They're out of reach, but I have their other key dangler that I won in a giveaway from them. So I've been using their key dangler for my keys for months now, and it works great. I think that's looks like under an eighth, probably about 0.1 inches thick for the blade. Very small, just a very small little friction folder. Obviously no pocket clip or anything, but retention is good enough where it probably won't open on you, it seems. Very cool little design, and it came with this, which is, oh well, already dropped it and messed everything up. Here we go. So there's it on its own little business card, kind of a description of it. There you can see G10 handle, S35VN blade, safety lock hole, so you can put the little clip right here through it. Let's see how that works. And I will have a full review coming on this soon. So I assume you just, with the blade closed, clip it right through there. Not too hard. Took a little bit to get it in there, but there you go. Now you can't open the blade, so it won't come out in your pocket if you're scared of that happening. And then pop it right back out. Might scratch up a little bit, but seemed to work okay. Other than that, that's just the quick first impressions, unboxing of it. So I guess check out the blade sharpness also while we're at it. Well, it cuts, so it functions as a knife, so that's pretty much all it needs. And check back later for the full review. Specs, dimensions, weight, everything probably. Maybe not weight because I don't really have a way to measure that, but dimensions, materials, everything like that. Check back later, and thanks for watching.